Okay, do one thing right now, understand the things in sharing, and then one after the another, you perform it in the same laptop. Okay? Is my screen visible to everyone? Online students? Okay, Harsh. Let everyone join the meeting and then we'll be starting. Okay, so both the batches, A and C, both have created the Oracle Apex account and both have started working on the same. Everyone must be having one table with them, right? How to see the table? Let me do the login in my Oracle account. We are starting with the next set of queries today. So, but for that set of queries, I need your table with you. So let's first check whether your table is available in your account or not. So all of you are all of you must have signed in with the Apex account, right? Here in the SQL workshop, we'll be going and go to SQL commands. Now from here you can check whether your table exists or not. So there is a find table here. Can you see this? Find table. So find table, click on that. Click on that. Once you will be once you will be clicking on that, you will be getting the list of tables you want to work with. So which table we have created? Student data, right? So I have a student data here with me. How to see the structure of the table? That we must have done. How to see the structure of the table? Which query was used to find or see the structure of the table? Very good. Describe. What is the short for describe? DESC. Correct. Correct. Student data. Whatever name you have given, just write it down, semicolon, and run. When I run it, I'll see that these are the columns and its data types with that table. Everyone agreed?
Yes.
What was the syntax?
He described.
Repeat karo. हाँ. First of all, when you do login, how to check that whether your table exists or not? Because every time we are not going to create new tables. In this lab, we have created a table. In next lab, we may work on the different things. So I want to see that whether my table exists or not. So there is here find tables. Can you see that? You are there in the meeting? Yes. So this is the find tables button. So when you click on that find table, see, it is not necessary to do this every time. If you forget what is the exact name, then you can do this, right? If you already know the name of the table, that's fine. So this is how I can check that whether my table exists or not. Now table is already there, student data. Then what we need to do, I need to see how many columns are there in that student table and what are the data type of the student table. So what I'll be doing, describe query will help me to see the structure of the data, not the content inside the data, inside the table. Are you getting? So these two queries done, create query and describe query. What was create query? Okay, do one thing. Let's have a practice because I want to continue from this. And next time I will not tell you to practice for the create query. This is the first time I'm telling you. Create a table. You can check the history here. You can check here in the history. Can you see this? Here history. You can check here which query you have fired. So you can see that you must have fired the create query. Can you see? Can you get your query?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you execute that same query again? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you execute that same query again?
No, because table name already exists.
Yes, yes. I cannot execute the same query again because table with the name student data is already there. Yes or no? That's what we understood. Unique name in a database. When we started the concept of creating table, we understood two things. That every table name should be unique in a database and every column name in the table should be unique. ठीक है? So I cannot create exact table with the same name. If I want to create another table, I need to use another name. Let us create let us create one thing because many of you are not responding right now. Your facial expression is such that you have forgot everything. So let us do one thing. I am creating a sample table. We will be using that student table only, but to get a practice, what I am doing, I am creating a sample table. What is the query? What is the query? Create is the keyword. And which type of language it is? आज ही पढ़ा.
User defined.
DDL. आज पढ़ा ना, create is which type of command? DDL. So create, what I want to create? Table. Why we need to write table? Because create can create so many things. Right now I'm interested in creating table. So create table, name of the table. Let's say I'm giving table name as sample data. Sample data, something like this. Then column 1, name is something column 1, integer. Then column 2, Yes, so Krishna is teaching now. Okay, so this is your sample table. Create table sample data. Column 1 integer, column 2 varchar. Oh, sorry. Yes.
એમ સ્ક્રીન શેરિંગ ઓફ છે.
હા કર્યું. Now is it visible?
હવે ઓકે.
Yes. So integer sample data column 1 int, column 2 varchar 2 or varchar, both will be fine. What is the thing to be remembered for varchar 2? Yes, it is very
We have to
necessary to write.
specify size.
Yes. So for varchar 2 it is necessary to specify size. Let's say right now I am specifying 15 characters long column 2. Now once you do this, what happens? Create table sample data, and when you run it, the table will be created. Table created, and I can see the table structure with this. Describe. Uh-huh. Describe sample data and run. Once you run it, it will be telling you the structure of the giving you the structure of the table. Everyone just અરે પણ હું જ join નથી થઈ. હું કૃષ્ણમાંથી કરાવું છું. I am not getting any network. Everyone practice this for simple. If you have forgotten the create query, once you are ready, I'm giving 5 minutes. Once you are ready, we'll start with the insert query. You got it right, Krishna? Online students, just acknowledge if you have revised this particular thing. Let me tell you one thing. This is a practice table, right? Now suppose I want to delete this table. I want to see there are two things. Either deleting the content of the data, and second is entire table I want to delete along with the content. So if you want to delete the content only with keeping your data keeping your table as it is, then the command is delete. We'll see later on. If I want to delete entire table along with the content, the table is, see right now you can see here that when I see, I'll be having sample data as a table, right? Now if I say command called drop table name. So drop table name. The result will be table dropped. The result will be table dropped, and here after this you can see this. दो बार click करो. Now when you see this, you will not find your sample table. ठीक है? So create a sample table and drop it. तो आपको drop की query भी सिखा दी. Drop table name. What is the difference between delete and drop?
In drop, the whole table it is content is gone.
Table structure and content, everything will be deleted. And in delete, only content of the table will be deleted, but not the entire table. When you delete it, you can either delete all the records or you can delete a specific record. That we will see. You have to. તો આટલા લેટ કેમ જોઈન થઈ છે? Now it will come.
एक रो का content
हाँ वो डिलीट कर, डिलीट अगर सब
5 स्टूडेंट का लिस्ट है, इसमें सिर्फ एक स्टूडेंट का
आज हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे ना तब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि डिलीट कैसे करना। आज सिलेक्ट सीखेंगे ना कि मान लो सिलेक्ट में सब नहीं करना, कुछ ही मतलब कोई एक क्राइटेरिया पे सिलेक्ट करना है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? वो सेम क्राइटेरिया कहाँ पे अप्लाई होगा? डिलीट में
अपडेट करना तो
सब सब सैंपल टेबल कर लो। सैंपल टेबल तो रिवाइज करने के लिए किया था ना, हाँ तो वो कर लो। ये लैब की रिकॉर्डिंग मत देखना, पता नहीं क्या क्या आएगा रिकॉर्डिंग में। ऐसा हो तो पूछ लेना। मानव, विराज, what's your name? हाँ माधव, मानव, विराज and माधव થઈ ગયું sample table? ડ્રોપ થઈ ગયું?
મેડમ
હા વ્યોમ ડન?
હા એટલે ઓલું જૂનું ટેબલ છે, મેં તો ઈ કહેવા માટે અનમ્યુટ કર્યું. તમે કીધું હતું ને ઓલું જેમબોર્ડ ની લિંક નું તમને યાદ અપાવવાનું.
એ હા 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 કરી દઉં, શેર કરી દઉં, but I'm not able to connect with any network in my laptop. Just a few minutes, I'll be sharing the Jamboard link.
ઓકે.
Yes, done everyone? Sample table and drop. Here you
Yes, ma'am, done.
Very good. You four नहीं हो रहा? क्या नहीं हो रहा? Okay, let us do one thing. Let us meanwhile understand the next set of queries and then we'll practice the same. Okay, now let me say, okay, before this, now we are practicing over here, everyone. Over here, Krishna बाद में, पहले समझ लो. Next set of instruction is insert. Table create कर लिया. Now it is the time to insert the data. Now, while inserting, you have to keep in mind. While inserting, you have to keep in mind one thing: your table structure. Because the reason is, I am inserting in student table. I am inserting in student data. How many values I need to insert? how many value? I want to insert the record of one student. Now insert query will insert one record at a time. That means the information of one student at a time. Now I want to insert one record. So how many values I need to enter in insert? Yes, it will be equal to the number of columns. Yeah, it is not necessary that always it is equal to number of columns. You can also specify limited values. But initially, let us say I have 3 columns. I need to insert 3 values. Now it is important to remember the table structure because in insertion there will be one-to-one mapping. One-to-one mapping means if your roll number is the first column, you have to insert data roll number first. Second attribute is name. In insert, you have to use second attribute as name. Third attribute is say age. Then third value should be age. Are you getting? Why so? Why we need to do one-to-one mapping?
Because maybe data type is
Yes. If you are having integer as the first column, and by mistake if you are writing name in that, will it accept? No. So at that time, describe query will help you to see the structure of the table if you have forgotten. So let me show you how to use the insert query. Now always in SQL, first keyword will be the operation. What I want to do? What I want to do? Insert. I want to do insert. So what I will write? Insert into. Now insert. I want to insert into table. So table name. What is the table
Student
name?
data.
Student data. Student data. Insert into student data. What I am inserting?
attribute.
I am value of a attribute, right? So what we will be writing? Values. Insert into table name space values, not value, values. Even if it is single column, the keyword is value. Bracket. What is the first? What is the first column? Roll number. Data type. Integer. So if it is integer data type, you just simply write the number you want to insert. Let's say roll number 1. Next column was
Name.
name. Data type varchar. Now if it is character or varchar 2, you have to use single quote. Right? Say for example, Krishna. Right? This is the second value for the second attribute. Next, again, I need one more.
Student.
Next is age. Age data type int. Again, so it is as it is. Let's say 20. Right? And what will I do? Semicolon. And what we need to do now? Run. So when I do run, one row inserted. Got it? So do this. And at a time, just a second, at a time you can only insert one record. You cannot do comma करी roll number 2, 3, 4 ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. आप at a time एक ही record insert कर सकते हो अभी. और हर टाइम यहाँ पे एक ही insert query, यहाँ पे दूसरी यहाँ पे insert लिख दी ऐसा नहीं चलेगा अभी. यहाँ पे एक ही query होनी चाहिए. Just you change the values and do operation. 5 रो इंसर्ट करो सभी टेबल में 5 रो इंसर्ट करो
मैम नंबर में सिंगल इन्वर्टेड
देखने के लिए
सेमा नंबर में
सिंगल इन्वर्टेड કોમા હોય તો ચાલે
નંબર માં નથી કરવાનું ખાલી
એટલે એરર બતાવશે એમાં
જો if I try to do this આવું કયો છો ને
હા
if I try to do this અને ડેટા ટાઈપ શું હતી
મેડમ ઓલી સ્ક્રીન શેર બંધ થઈ ગઈ છે
અહીંયા તો દેખાડે છે ભાઈ હું મારામાંથી ટ્રાય કરું છું. જસ્ટ ગીવ મી અ મિનિટ. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me start Apex. આવું એક જ મિનિટ.
डाटा इंसर्ट किया
जस्ट हाँ
डाटा इंसर्ट किया
हाँ
फॉर्म पे देखना
वो होम करते. Just a second, everybody practice with Vyom. I'll come back to your doubt. Let us resolve the doubts of others right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone must have inserted the report. यहाँ पे अब पूछना होगा। Yes, now I want majority of you have completed, yes, majority of you have completed insertion of data. Now the question will be, I want to check what I have inserted. I want to see the content of the table, right? To check the content of the table, we'll use one DQL command, that is, see, आपने insert किया तो database का state change हुआ.
No, ma'am.
मैम स्क्रीन
Manipulation.
When I'm inserting something,
मैम स्क्रीन
हाँ करी. When I'm inserting something, have I changed the state of the database? Yes. When I have inserted first record, the state of the database has changed or not? Yes, there was no record, now it is one record. Now if I insert second row, what happens? There was one record, now there is second record. So while I am inserting, I am changing the state of the database. That means I am manipulating the database. That means insert comes under DML. Now I want to check the content of the table. I want to check the content of the table, not the structure. Structure के लिए describe. Content के लिए, let's see. I want to check. Let me check one thing here. Student data, right?
Yes,
I think I have no data in student data. Let me write on my table. What I want to do, I want to select the content. So the operation is select. Now here keep in mind. The next thing is which columns data I want to see. How many columns are there? 3. Which columns data I want to see? आप बोलोगे कि मैम सभी कॉलम का मुझे डेटा चेक करना. When you need to see all the columns data, mind well. If I have 15 columns, I want to check for 15 columns. At that time, you specify star. No need to write the column name individually, just specify star. Star specifies all columns. The next keyword, I want to select from where? Student, right? I am having info, so student info. Semicolon and run. Can you see? There was only one record in my table, so one record is visible. Getting? Check at your end whether you are able to see your content or not. Select star from student info. Star specifies all columns, not rows, columns. आपने इंसर्ट किया था, हाँ, तो पहले इंसर्ट करना फिर सिलेक्ट करेंगे, वर्क करेंगे, क्योंकि पहले सिलेक्ट कर दोगे तो कुछ है ही नहीं तो दिखाएगा क्या? ठीक है। See, it is not necessary that select will not work before insert. If you select from empty table, it will tell you that nothing is. Let me tell you here. I have a student underscore data. What is the thing? I don't have. Okay, I have one. Let me find the table which I am not having anything. I think in staff I am not having
મેમ
anything.
સેમ્પલ ડેટામાં નથી કઈ.
આમાં બી કાંઈ નથી કદાચ. મારા ટેબલ મેં કેટલા બધા ટેબલ આ બધી બેચમાં શીખવા માટે અલગ અલગ ટેબલ કરેલા છે. Yes, right now my staff table does not have anything, so it is showing no data found. It's not that it will give you error, it will tell you that nothing to fetch. Fine. So it for our it is student info. Now permutation got everybody got the output. Acknowledge here, online students. Select is working.
મેડમ એમ પૂછવું હતું કે રનનો કોઈ શોર્ટકટ કી છે?
રનનું કોઈ શોર્ટકટ કી મેં ગોત્યું નથી, ગોતીને કઈ જોશે તો.
આમાં વારે વારે આમ કરતો.
હા એ તો છે, that's true, but I'll check it and tell you.
ઓકે.
Yes, acknowledge me once your select is getting the output. Okay, others select માં મળે છે output. જે તમે ડેટા એન્ટર કર્યો હશે એ તમને પાછું મળશે. Now are you changing the database state?
Yes. Not
Which select are you changing the state of the database, or you are just retrieving the information? You are retrieving the information whatever you have inserted. So that comes under data query language. Apex એની રીતે થોડું કરી દેશે. આપણે sorting function use કરશું. See, the output which you will be see is little bit different from actual Oracle. Actual Oracle માં તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો ને, હું તમને આ જ વસ્તુ MySQL, મારી પાસે ડેટાબેઝ છે MySQL, એકવાર બધા ઓપરેશન પૂરા થઈ જાય ને પછી actual ડેટાબેઝમાં બતાવીશ. So this is how you can create, this is how you can select. ત્યારે as it is જ આવશે. Fine. Shall I proceed? Now tell me. हाँ, insert नहीं हुआ. insert में क्या करेंगे? This is the query. क्या करेंगे? insert. क्या करना है मुझे? यहाँ पे देखो, शेयरिंग में देखो, मीटिंग में देखो. I want to do insert, right? So the operation is insert into. I want to insert into some table. Which is that table? Student data. Whichever table you say, that will be table. Then what I want to insert? Values, right? And inside bracket, कितनी columns थी? 3 columns थी. Column. Student data में कितनी columns थी? आपका टेबल कौन सा है? आपका टेबल कौन सा है? टेबल बनाया आपने. टेबल बनाने के बाद ही आप इंसर्ट कर सकोगे.
ये बैच में पर्सन डाटा होगा.
हाँ,
पर्सन डेटा.
पर्सन था, जो भी आपका है पर्सन था. हाँ तो पर्सन पे करो. देखो पर्सन में क्या है? पर्सन नेम, एज एंड सिटी. ये किया था हमने, ये किया था. इसमें इंसर्ट करना है तो क्या करेंगे? इंसर्ट फिर इनटू. क्या होगा टेबल नेम? पर्सन. सो पर्सन, फिर आएगा कीवर्ड अगेन वैल्यूज, एंड देन पहले क्या लिखेंगे हम? नेम लिखेंगे, सिटी लिखेंगे, एज लिखेंगे. पहले नेम. डिस्क्राइब क्या आता है? पहला कॉलम क्या लिखा था? नेम. जो पहला लिखा वही पहला, दूसरा लिखा वो दूसरा. तो पहले क्या लिखा था? नेम. तो तो नेम का डेटा टाइप क्या है? आपने जब क्रिएट किया था टेबल तब नेम का डेटा टाइप रखा होगा, क्या रखते हैं हम? Yes. अब see students, this lab is not that हर बार आपको नया प्रोग्राम आएगा. इट इज नॉट अ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग लैब कि आपको हर बार नई डेफिनेशन मिलेगी और आप नए से शुरू करोगे. दिस इज इन अ कंटिन्यूएशन. So every time we stop, it is not that you are forgetting the earlier thing. अगर आपको इंसर्ट करना है तो क्रिएट आपको पता होना चाहिए. दिस इज ऑलवेज इन कंटिन्यूएशन, क्योंकि एक लैब में तो हम पूरा डीबीएमएस पढ़ नहीं सकते. एक बार हम क्रिएट सीखा, फिर सिलेक्ट सीखा, फिर इंसर्ट सीखा, फिर डिलीट सीखा. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आप डिलीट सीखो तो क्रिएट भूल जाओ, इंसर्ट भूल जाओ. You have to keep in mind, and that's why recordings are available to you. That's why materials are available to you. I have already told you the website also, good website, so that you can refer it. Don't do this, guys. It is very difficult for me always to start with create. और इसमें प्रॉब्लम मुझे नहीं है, मैं तो चलो समझा भी दूंगी. It is the problem, the waste. Other students' time will waste. Already जिन्होंने select तक कर दिया उनका टाइम फिर वापस बिगड़ेगा. So please do remember. और see, मैं एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. Insert into student value so and so. You have to change the table name according to your table. Are you getting? That is obvious thing. मेरे वर्क स्पेस में जितने टेबल है उस पर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. आपके वर्क स्पेस में आपने जो भी टेबल का नाम दिया, जो भी कॉलम का नाम दिया, उसके हिसाब से आप वो चेंज कर दो. दैट्स इट. प्लीज डू रिमेम्बर दिस. आप क्रिएट क्वेरी ही भूल गए हो, है ना? क्रिएट क्वेरी ही भूल गए हो. आपको याद ही नहीं कि आपके पास टेबल कितने. और एक बार बहुत आगे चला गया ना, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कम बैक एंड डू फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. और आप किसी को भी, एक दो जन के अलावा किसी को भी नोट डाउन करने की हैबिट नहीं है. अब बुक में लिखो, टू डू दिस यूज दिस क्वेरी, टू डू दिस यूज दिस क्वेरी. You will maximum in database in this subject, you will maximum write 10 to 15 lines, not more than that. ये करने के लिए ये क्वेरी, ये करने के लिए ये क्वेरी, बस इतना ही लिखना है. फिर तो आप टेबल नेम चेंज करो, कॉलम नेम चेंज करो, दैट्स इट. अभी हर बार मैं पूछूंगी कि डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए क्या करना है. तो इफ यू हैव रिटर्न समवेयर, एक तो लैब के लिए याद भी रहेगा, लेकिन जैसे जैसे लैब बढ़ेगी यू विल फर्स्ट, बिकॉज नाउ देयर विल बी सो मेनी कीवर्ड्स एंड क्वेरीज फॉर यू. अब भूल जाओगे. हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ नोटिंग इट डाउन समवेयर. I am sure you will not write more than 20 lines in entire lab. Not more than 20 lines, not paragraph or something. You can do this for you at least. अभी इनको सिलेक्ट सिखाने दो, फिर मैं आपके लैपटॉप पे आती हूँ और वो समझाती हूँ. ठीक है? Yes, I want to tell you now. Let us come back to select. I think everybody is getting the select output. All the content of the table, entire content of the table. Now tell me, those who select is done successfully.
Yes.
Tell me, I want to see the content of only roll number. I want to see modify or select query. Think logically. I have already given you the hint. I want to select.
ઓલ થાય છે તો આપણે રો નું નેમ નાખશું તો કદાચ એનું કોલમ નેમ નાખશું તો એનું જ ખાલી બતાવે, એવું બની જાય.
Tell me, write the query in your chat box, and those who are here, they can tell me. I want to select only roll number column from my table. Huh? Star की जगह पे name of the column, is it? Let's check it. Select. Okay, what was my column?
Student in
Student info में कौन सी थी, भूल गई. Roll number. Right, so select roll number from student info, right? Student info. Now let us see what is the output. What I am getting? Only one column. Only one column. Now I want roll number and age. I want roll number and age. Yes, select roll number, comma, age from student info. Got? So if you want selected column, then you specify the name of the column. If you want all the columns, specify star. ठीक है? ठीक है? Star for
All column.
if I want specific column, then
Then right column.
column name. If I want multiple columns, then separated column name separated by comma. So this is how you retrieve the content from the table. So select query to retrieve the content. Insert query to insert the data. Create query to create the table. Describe query to describe the to see the structure of the table. ठीक है? Drop query.
Deleting the structure as well as content.
Delete the table with the content. Delete the table with the content. That is for drop. Agreed?
Yes.
Now, let us understand one last thing temporarily. I want अभी आपने नोटिस क्या किया है सिलेक्ट में? चलो सिलेक्टेड कॉलम आई कैन रिट्रीव, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट? रो ना आवे नहीं, बધી જ रो आवे. If I say roll number, select roll number from student info. Yes, I will be getting roll number data for all the rows. For all the rows. Now I want to filter. Filter means I want a specific detail of student. Let's say I am having roll number as 1, so I am using roll number 1. What I am saying, what I am doing, I want the information, all the information means what? See, I want to retrieve, right? So again the operation will be frame the query for me. I want to retrieve all the information. What should I write? Select star from student info. Now if I write just this, to select star from student info, then entire table content will be given. But I want all the information of the student whose roll number is 1. That means I don't want all the rows. I want only that row whose roll number is 1. Getting? To do that, we use a clause along with the select. Do you know clause? English medium में कौन पढ़ा है? English medium में पढ़े हो? हैं? English medium में कौन पढ़ा है? They might have heard.
Collection.
Previous semester.
Almost.
Okay, they might have heard the term called clause. Clause is not a standalone statement; it is a part of something. So the thing which we are learning right now is a clause. The name of that clause is where clause. The name of that clause is where. So the student info where I want specific thing where roll number is equal to 1. Getting? In my data it will not be having any other difference because I have only one record, but you can have Can you see this? Let me insert one more record so it is much more clear to you. So now in my student info table, you can see student info.
Ma'am, ma'am spelling ખોટો.
Yeah. In my student info, there are 2 rows, right? Now I want all the information of the student whose roll number is 1. So what I'll be doing? Run it. So I'll be getting only 1. If I write like this, roll number is equal to 3, what I will be getting? No data. There is no error in the query. But the query cannot find out the row with the roll number 3. So no data selected. If, let me do one thing. I am inserting one more record with the same roll number 2.
Both are same.
Yes, the roll number 2. Now if I write roll number 2, what it will show? It will show both. जो मल्टीपल मैच થાય તો મલ્ટીપલ રિટ્રીવ કરે, સિંગલ મેચ થાય તો સિંગલ રિટ્રીવ કરે, મેચ ના થાય તો કાંઈ રિટ્રીવ ના કરે. Is it clear? So do that. So what we have used? We have used a where clause along with the select to filter the row wise data. क्योंकि select के बाद जो भी आप लिखोगे that is column, only column. It is not selecting any row. It will select all the rows by default. But if I want to select specific row, I need to use where clause. Is it clear? Online student, just practice this. Yes. Okay. हो गया आपका प्रैक्टिस? गुड. डिलीट अभी करेंगे. Done everyone? Now select roll number from student info where roll number is equal to 2. Do it. What will be the query? Select roll number, select name of the student where roll number is 2. Select name of the student. Now I am interested only in the name of the student. Now I am already interested in name of the student, so I'll be only writing select name. Yes, S name from student. Multiple columns जोती हुई तो if you want multiple columns, comma करके लिख दो, ठीक है? In short, what you have to remember, after select you have to specify columns, and after where you have to specify the condition. Yes, what about you? क्या कब तक हुआ? Yes, online, yes, unable to recognize. हाँ व्योम बोलो error.
મેં સ્ટુડન્ટ ડેટા નામનો ટેબલ બનાવ્યો છે એમાં એસ નેમ નામ એ બધાયના નામ
તમારો તમારો
student.
વોઇસ બહુ કટ થાય છે. તો વોઇસ બહુ કટ થાય છે. આઈ એમ નોટ એબલ ટુ ગેટ ઇટ.
હવે ઓડિબલ છે.
હેલો. હા વ્યોમ.
હા એમાં એમ કહું છું કે સ્ટુડન્ટ ડેટા નામનો મેં ટેબલ બનાવ્યો અને એમાં એસ નેમ નામની મેં કોલમ બનાવી. તો
હા
કોડ લખીને કહી દો સિલેક્ટ સ્ટાર ફ્રોમ સ્ટુડન્ટ ડેટા વેર એસ નેમ ઇક્વલ ટુ એ અને સેમિકોલન થી ક્લોઝ કર્યું તો એમાં કહે છે કે એરર.
મને શેર કરો ને સ્ક્રીન.
એટલે લેપટોપ માંથી ડ્રોઈંગ ફોન માંથી કેમેરાથી બતાવી દો.
દેખાય તો બતાવી દો. તમારો વોઇસ છે ને બહુ બ્રેક થાય છે એટલે હું સમજી નથી શકતી એક્ઝેક્ટલી. દેખાતું નથી હો વ્યોમ.
Clearly visible.
Select star from student data where s name is equal to a. હા હવે s name is equal to a કોટેશનમાં રાખો.
ઓકે.
a ને કોટેશનમાં રાખો સિંગલ કોટ્સમાં. When you are searching the where clause, if you are writing any varchar data to search, then again that varchar data should be kept in single quotes.
ઓકે ડન.
Okay, fine. So the thing I want to say, let me share my screen visible હતી?
હા પેલા વિઝિબલ હતું.
Okay. The thing I'm telling you is this, that if I want, say I want to search with any varchar 2 data, that means like say Manav. So what I will be doing, select where s name is equal to Manav in single quote, and I am selecting roll number. Let's say roll number and run. Select roll number from, I think I have used another table. S name where s name is equal to Manav, s name is equal to Manav. Why it is creating problem?
Student is spelling. Student is spelling.
Roll number, s name and age. S name I think.
Yes, sensitive होता है.
नहीं case sensitive नहीं होता. Select roll number from student info 1 2 3 name roll number is where name is equal to name.
डबल यहाँ पे शुरू में भी एस नहीं है, फिर बाद में भी एस नहीं, इसके कारण
don't know, somehow it is. I need to check it. It should work. It is working, right, Vyom?
Yes, in my case it is working.
Yeah, it should work. It should work. It should work. I'll check it and revert you. Fine. Let us delete. Let us delete. Now I want to delete. I want to delete the record. I want to delete the record. So the thing is, the query is delete. What I want to do? Delete. Now what is the difference between delete and drop? Over here now. What is the difference between delete and drop? डिलीट में सिर्फ सभी रोज डिलीट होंगी. हाँ, the things which you have inserted, that will be deleted, but with drop, data and structure, both will be. This is one of the very popular question in Viva and interview. Delete from space. Na ave. Delete star na ave. Delete from student data. Delete from table name. Delete from table name where. Let me do this only. There was only one row. Delete from table name. When you write delete from table name, all the rows will be deleted at the same time. But if I want to delete a specific row, then what will I write? Where roll number is equal to say 1, and यहाँ पे आएगा student info. Run. One row deleted. Now if I write select star from student, क्या है? student info है ना?
Yes, ma'am. वो बीच में space.
हाँ, student info. Now can you see the Afnan record has been deleted? ठीक है? Everyone got it? सभी रो डिलीट करनी हो तो
Delete star.
स्टार लिखा ही नहीं मैंने डिलीट में.
Delete from student.
Yes, directly delete from table name. Delete from table name. Specific row delete करनी हो तो where your condition, where something is this. मान लो अगर अफनान की दो रोज होती तो, मान लो अगर अफनान वैल्यू की 2 रोज होती तो दोनों डिलीट होगी. जितनी मैच होगी उतनी सभी डिलीट होगी. ठीक है? प्रैक्टिस दिस. डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम. हाँ, वो स्पेसिफिक रो के लिए. सभी रो एक साथ डिलीट करनी हो तो डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम. हाँ, स्पेसिफिक के लिए वेयर और कंडीशन.
મલ્ટીપલ રો માટે કોમા કરીને લખવાનું.
हाँ जी. શું?
મલ્ટીપલ રો માટે કોમા કરીને લખવાનું.
મલ્ટીપલ રો થાય જ નહીં. મલ્ટીપલ રો એ જેટલા તમે કન્ડિશન લખી હશે ને એ પ્રમાણે જેટલી રો મેચ થતી હશે બધી એક સાથે ડિલીટ કરશે.
મલ્ટીપલ કન્ડિશન કોમા કરીને કરવાની.
એ મલ્ટીપલ કન્ડિશન કેમ કરશું જોશું આપણે. when this is equal to this and this is equal to this, એના માટે આપણે એન્ડ ઓપરેટર શીખશું કે નામ એનું આ હોય અને રોલ નંબર આ હોય તો ડિલીટ કરો.
ડબલ એમ્પરસેન્ડ ને?
ના, એ એન્ડ ડી એન્ડ.
ઓકે, આમાં નોર્મલી એન્ડ જ લખી.
હા, એન્ડ. So delete works at row level. Delete works at row level. Select works at सिलेक्ट क्या करता है? सिलेक्ट किसको किसको फोकस करता है? कॉलम को, कॉलम को, कॉलम को फोकस करता है. एंड देन इफ यू अटैच द वेयर क्लॉज इट डज द इट फोकसेस ऑन कॉलम एज वेल एज रो कंडीशन, राइट. बट सिलेक्ट के बाद जितना लिखा होगा उतनी डिस्प्ले में आएगी. इफ यू हैव रिटन सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम समथिंग वेयर समथिंग इज समथिंग, देन सब कॉलम्स आएगी. Select name from this where the condition is this, then only name will come. तो select के बाद जितना लिखा होगा उतना आपको visible होगा. ठीक है? Online students agree, getting the things? Insert, delete, create, drop, describe, select, where clause. Yes. Next time we'll be doing it. Yes. Next time we'll be doing update. Right? I'm not bombarding you with all the things right now. You just practice these queries.
મેમ ડન. અને ઓલી વખત હવે તમારે નેટ આવે પછી નાખી દેજો ને લિંક એવું હોય તો વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપમાં કે ક્યાં?
તમે શેમાં નાખી દઉં લિંક?
આ વોટ્સએપ કે ટેલિગ્રામ ગ્રુપમાં પણ
ના
ચાલે?
ના ના આજ કે કાલથી છે ને તમારી ચેનલ જ બની ગઈ છે થર્ડ સેમેસ્ટરની. એ ચેનલમાં સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી લેજો. એનું પ્લેલિસ્ટ આવી ગયું છે, એમાં તમને બધા વિડીયોઝ મળી જશે. વેઇટ ફોર 1 or 2 days. ઇટ વિલ બી અપલોડેડ.
ઓલું જેમબોર્ડનું કહું છું.
હા
જેમબોર્ડ માટે કહું છું.
હા જેમબોર્ડ અત્યારે જ કરી દઉં. Those who want to save the Jamboard, they can just, I am just sharing the link to just view it. Already I have shared. I think I have already shared with.
You need access.
ના મેમ ઓલી મેલમાં નથી આવી અમારે, મેં ચેક કર્યું.
अच्छा એવું છે. Okay, let me do one thing. તમારું ક્લાસ લિસ્ટમાંથી હા એક you need a permission.
You need access.
आपने कौन सा अकाउंट से किया है?
मारवाड़ी का ही है।
अच्छा एक मिनट, let me do one thing. I need to write it from your class list. I think I have your class list here. I have deleted, I think, that list with. Okay, fine. I'll get that email from. I'll get your emails and I'll be sharing it. Let me take the attendance. कौन सी बैच है आज? C और A. A बैच. A batch, your attendance. Bridge, Jai, Ravi, Abhishek. Guddu, Janisha, Hariom, Ajay. Next time I will see each and every's workspace. इसमें delete ये सब history में होना चाहिए. Delete, insert, create, everything should be there in your workspace. Fine. अजय थे अजय. नौशाद, अभिषेक, शिवानी. नौशाद, अभिषेक. Shivani, Rahul. Yeah, you will be getting Harsh. For everything, you will be getting your YouTube link from the channel. From day one, you will be getting all the videos. Shivani, Rahul, Jai, Dhaval, Priyanshu, Ronak, Ravi, Miraj. सॉरी, शिवानी एंड राहुल, ये तो बी बैच के आ गए. सी बैच, किशन, धर्मिल, आदित्य, विशाल. मानव, विराज, विशाल, समर्थ, सोनू, निसार, खुशबू, दीपक, आसिफ, कृष्णा, माधव, विशाल, दीप, स्मित, राज, हर्ष, जयमीन, जील, अरविंद, रोहिन, व्योमदीप, शुभम, सुनील. Okay, online people can leave. That's it from my side.